Hello everyone, welcome to Drawlipper channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your settings app. From here, scroll down, then go to advanced features. From here, scroll down a bit. Here at the bottom, you can see dual messenger option, then tap on it. Now by tapping here, you can enable dual messenger. Now just tap here and then tap on install and it's done. Now you can see in my phone dual messenger is enabled now. Also from here you can install second copy of WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram. If you enable this option, now you can use separate contact list for dual messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram. Now if you go back on the app screen, here you can see in my phone dual messenger is installed now. And that is how you can enable dual messenger in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.